So here's a very quick little demo of Layer Me This and why you might want to use it. So this is a document, originally it was an EPS. This is just a stock image downloaded from vecteezy.com. And I want to prep it for After Effects, which means I need layers. But if you can see, there's one layer here. Now the individual items are all separate, so that's no problem. If I open it up, you can see there's group, 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 tons of groups. But the problem is I need them on their own layers. And to do it manually, it's just select things, make a new layer, drag. There is a command, release to layers sequence, which would take everything and turn it into sublayers, but then you gotta like manually rename it and everything. It's actually pretty annoying. So I'm just gonna select everything and run my little script here. File, scripts. I've already copied it into the scripts folder in the Illustrator applications folder. So Layer Me This is right there. If not, I'd have to go to other scripts and manually navigate to it, but it's fairly easy to add. And what it basically does is gives me a dialog box right here, and I can enter a name and call this Circus. And when I click OK, it takes each individual selected object, moves it to its own layer, and if the source layer was taken from is empty, it just deletes it. So I'll say OK. There were 38 items here, and they each become their own individual top level layer. The name I entered into the dialog box is now the base name, and then it just basically went along and just numbered each of them. So that's this one, that's this one, that's this one, that's this one, no problem at all. And now they're all separate and ready to be taken apart into After Effects. But I can actually go further than that. So, for example, these two tickets are a group. So if I ungroup them, right click, just ungroup, now they're two different tickets on the exact same layer. So if I go look at this, go to layers, I can see it's right there. So that's the two tickets. That's the mask. So I'll select them and I'll run the script again. So I will scripts, Layer Me This. This time I'll give the name tickets. Okay. Two items were moved. And now at the top of my stack I have tickets 1 and tickets 2. They've been separated. So it basically creates new layers based on selection. So if you have one thing selected, you'll get that one thing moved its own layer. If you have two things selected or 20 things selected, each of them will be in its own layer. So it's a very efficient and practical and fast way of separating single layer or limited layer Illustrator artwork into multiple layers. And that's what it does.